I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil light on your Chrysler Sebring. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within a 10-second period. This action signals the car's computer. Finally, turn the ignition completely off. This simple sequence should clear the oil change indicator, getting you back on the road without that pesky light. It's a quick and easy process. Sometimes the oil light might not reset on the first try. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely off, with the ignition only in the on position. Make sure you are pressing the accelerator pedal all the way down for each of the 3 presses. If the light persists, simply repeat the entire sequence. Patience is key, and often a second attempt will successfully clear the indicator. Double-check your steps for accuracy. Resetting your oil light isn't just about turning off an annoying indicator. It's an important part of vehicle maintenance. It confirms that your oil change has been successfully completed and helps your car's system accurately track future service intervals. An illuminated oil light can also be a distraction, potentially obscuring other important dashboard warnings. Keeping your dashboard clear ensures you're always aware of your vehicle's true status. It's a small step with big benefits. Beyond resetting the light, consistent maintenance is vital for your vehicle's longevity. Always check your oil level regularly, perhaps every 1,000 miles, and adhere to your car's recommended oil change schedule. This proactive approach prevents potential engine issues and keeps your car running smoothly. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you love to read, you'll find a link there for the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere. Keep your car and your mind well maintained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.